Meaning of hoopoe.
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 Hoopoe. The hoopoe is a colorful bird notable for its distinctive crown of feathers. It is found in Eurasia, Africa, and Madagascar. The name hoopoe is an onomatopoeic word derived from the bird's call. The hoopoe has a long, thin beak that it uses to catch insects and other small prey. Its diet also includes earthworms and snails. The bird is considered sacred in some cultures, including ancient Egypt, and is associated with virtues such as virtue, wisdom, and protection. The hoopoe's distinct features and cultural significance have made it a popular subject in art, literature, and mythology.